Why you do that for?
That's all I own.
What is that?
I'm poor.
A fake Stanley squishy. Do it yourself, Stanley. Okay, you know what? Just because I'm feeling kind of nice today, I am going to give you this octopus. There you go.
Deal.
Oh, what am I going to do with this thing? But it actually feels good. It sounds good.
Anyone want to train me?
I
Okay.
do. Okay, I'm going.
Can I go first?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll trade you this squishy duck.
Ooh.
Guys, don't tell her it has so much air in it.
Okay.
And it does have no air.
I will
This
trade
is very
you
rare.
a super needle. A super needle.
Add.
Okay. This mellow marshmallow, mellow, right? Needle. Real needles here. 2 real needles. Add.
This fuzzball
Ooh.
needle. You can really see it because
Let me see.
it's so big. It's fuzzball. Can I see it?
Yeah, I see the needle there. Okay. Ooh, it's fuzzy.
So good. You can feel it too.
It's a super fuzz ball. Oh.
A super because it's big.
Okay. I like it. I think I accept.
You accept?
Yep.
Actually,
Woo!
no.
No, too bad. You already accepted. Guys, I got this fuzzball needle, super needle, and then this full of air ducky. Okay, but it's still pretty good. I could just take that air out
And I
with
just
the
got these.
bobby pin. Okay. One more time. Anybody wants to trade me?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Can I start?
Yeah, you can start.
Okay, I will start with the super butter. And I already took out all the air for you. And it's a big butter.
Oh my god, it feels so good.
Yes. It's the gooey, super mega big butter without any air, guys. Okay. Add.
Okay, I will add. Let me see. This pink dumpling. And it. Guys, so tired. It has no face. The face is just here.
Did the face faded? Let me see.
Look, it's right there. It faded a little bit, but at least you have more dumplings.
Okay, add.
Orange dumpling.
Add. This is a mega big gooey butter.
Mega.
Yeah.
This blue something and the thing didn't fade out. So,
Okay, I accept.
I accept too.
Okay, here you go. Oh, I got all the dumplings. Oh yeah. Listen, guys. So, anybody wants to trade?
Me.
Okay, let's see what you got. That is my pile, sir.
This.
What is this? Oh, this is the toast, guys. The toast. Squeeze. Butter. Toast. Okay. All right. I will trade you a shark. Squeezy.
Add.
What?
Add.
Seriously, dude?
Add.
This is a sharp squeezy with no
Add.
squishy with no air.
Add.
Gosh.
Add.
All right, all right. I will give you a little cute squishy
Add. Add.
strawberry. These are Nido strawberry.
Add.
This is a legit Nido.
Add.
Yo. Octopus. Slow rising,
Add it.
squishy. You need to add. I added 3 things. Now it's your turn. Look at this, guys. Look how stretchy
Okay,
that is.
this.
Okay. What? This is a mochi. Come on. I gave you all of this.
Here, banana.
Okay, this is
You
a
need some
banana, slow rising. Squishy, but it doesn't have any goo inside. Add. Don't get from my pile.
This blue.
Nido. Let me see if it's real or fake, guys. Let me see.
This.
Oh, okay, it is real. Real Nido. Can't see it in the camera, but okay. Add. I give you a big shark.
No, you add.
No, I said it first.
But I'll give you this.
I said first. You add.
Butter.
No. No trade backs.
This.
Ooh.
No, you add.
The popsicle. Give it. You can't take it back. No, take back. Oh, this popsicle dupe.
Add.
It's like the Nido
Add.
dupe. You know what?
$1.
What? Get your money out of here. It ain't got no squeezies. Squishies. Okay, I'm gonna add, since you're adding dupes and fakes, I'm gonna add this Nido dupe. Add.
What? Decline.
What?
Decline.
Okay, fine. I take all my stuff back.
Fine, take all
That's
my
mine.
stuff back.
That is mine.
Scammer, get scared.
Scammer. Okay, does anybody want to trade with me that's not a scammer?
Me.
Anyone want to train me?
Me.
Oh, hey. What do you got? What is this poor thing?
This pink needle.
Huh?
Add.
I already have.
Mine's better.
Well, I will trade you this
No.
pink
No.
needle.
I'll trade you
Decline.
this. It looks like you.
For this?
Yes. I'll add this too.
Okay. For that, I will give you this cheese squishy.
Can you open it?
Cheese.
Can you open it for me?
It has tape, so I can't really open it.
The
Yeah.
tape.
So,
Are you scared?
I add.
What?
Add.
You add.
This is very rare.
This is a blue fuzzball. Needle.
I will give you
2 needles.
this banana.
I want that bigger one.
Well, you need to trade a pickle for that.
Here, I get a jalapeno or a pickle.
The spicy one?
No, pickle.
Yeah, the spicy pickle.
No, regular.
Okay, I will trade you this banana.
Alright, but you gotta add, because I got this. And I already got that pink thing, so you gotta add.
2 bananas. Add.
Yeah, add.
This is very rare.
Okay, I think you wanna add that.
I will give you this
I already got a banana.
butter.
Butter? Do you see that over there?
Nope.
No? Except,
Nope, I add. Because butter is very good and squishy. And I already took the air out.
this birthday cake. For your birthday.
Add. It's just a squishy.
It's a good squishy. This dumpling. Do you want to add or accept?
Except.
Let's add.
Except.
Okay. Here. Now give me your first.
No.
Okay, here.
Leave it.
Here, I'll leave it. Okay, you leave it. Thank you.
Anybody wants to trade me?
Me, okay.
I don't want to trade you.
Aw, fine.
I want to trade.
Yes, I accept.
I'm the poor guy, so
I will add. Oh, you're gonna add this?
I'm trading up. I started with a fake squeegee,
I will.
and I'm trading up. Give me something good.
Bad, so
Yes,
I'm gonna give
everybody keeps feeling bad. This is working.
these.
Deal.
It's so
Deal,
good.
put it
I
down.
need you to add first.
Before you change your mind, put it down.
I need you to add.
No, I have nothing.
Add.
I have nothing. I'm a poor guy. Deal.
These two is so rare and it has goo inside. This, it's just green and it has a little red thing
But
and
I'm-
it's dirty.
I'm a poor guy. Give me one.
No.
One.
No.
Deal.
Fine, I'll give you one. Look at this
Yes.
gold
Deal.
dumpling.
Deal. Deal.
I'm giving you 3 stuff you need to add.
I got nothing.
What is this stuff?
That's the next person's.
No. Fine. What's next? I accept.
Thank you.
I feel so
Bye.
bad. Anybody want to trade me?
I do.
Okay. I'm so poor. I only have this.
Yeah, you're not giving me that trick, lady, because I know you got a bunch of squishies. Let's go.
Ugh.
Starting with
It worked for me.
the Berg Neato.
Iceberg, not bird. Bonito.
It is a
Excuse me,
bird.
correction.
It is really hard and slow rising.
hard. I don't like hard ones.
Yeah, but it's huge, and it's really expensive
Oh, you
and
use-
rare to find.
Carrot, this is so rare.
Yeah, but guess what? This is more expensive.
No, it's not. This costs $59.
Compared to the little Neatos, okay? Look at the difference. Look how huge the Berg
I'll give you
is.
this pickle, and I need you to add.
What?
A
No,
pickle.
you add. You add.
And can you please move your iceberg away? 'Cause
Okay,
these
you
are
add. Add.
Fuzzy.
Ooh, the fuzz
The
ball.
fuzzy.
Super fuzz ball. Okay, but I have a super ball. Neato.
Yeah, but this is fuzzy. Look.
Neato.
Move your needle. Look. That's fuzzy.
Yeah, but look, this one is not fuzzy and it's smooth. Hang on.
This one is
It has
so
Neato in big
smooth.
and it's super
And-
too.
It feels like I'm gulping something.
Okay.
I
Add.
need you to add. Look at, I give you 3 stuff.
Yeah, but
and
these
you
are
need
Neatos.
2.
2 legit Neatos. Look at it, it's like a brick.
I'll give you this needle.
That is not a Neato.
It's a squishy.
It's a dupe
right?
Neato. Hey, those are mine.
I'll give you this needle.
That is already mine. Thank you.
This blue
This
needle.
Neato right here.
Guys, don't tell her I got it from 7-Eleven, but it is still real.
Okay, I accept. Accept.
I accept.
Woohoo! Okay, guys. Oh my god, guys. I got the freaking carrot. Look at this. Ah! Carrot is huge. And the freaking pickle. Okay, bye, guys.